Sherry here. Welcome to 2 on Tuesday. Each week I share a powerful 2-minute tip that when implemented in your business will have a dramatic impact on your productivity, your revenue, and the ease and success you enjoy. Today, I want to share a free tool I just discovered for choosing a winner from a list of names, products, or whatever else that you can think of. Just for background, here's how I discovered this. Because I'm traveling full-time now, I do a lot of virtual interviews, summits, and gift giveaways to grow my community. Oftentimes, these events will include a raffle of a product or service that's chosen from everyone that opts in for your free gift in the event. The trick is, when the event's over, you have to pick a winner. Over the years, I've chosen a random number of the number of opt-ins that I had. I've literally drawn the winner out of a box. And I've even closed my eyes and just pointed to a page, and whatever number I ended up with was the winner. Not very scientific, right? So over the last couple of weeks, I participated in an event called Rock Your Launch. You might have seen my emails inviting you to join me and get some of the great free gifts that were offered. And I got a tip from one of the other experts that was interviewed that I just have to share. It's called the Wheel of Names, and you'll find it at wheelofnames.com. It's a Wheel of Fortune style wheel where all you have to do is copy paste the list that you want to choose something randomly from, click the button, and voila, the program picks your winner. But the most beautiful part in my mind is that it's a fun way to make choosing the winner interactive. For this event, I recorded myself actually spinning the wheel to choose the winner. Then I sent an email out to everyone that opted in for my free gift with the recording attached. But there's more. Since there was only one winner and I wanted everyone to get engaged and watch the video, in the email, I didn't tell them who won. They had to watch the video to find out. What I did do, however, is tell them that just for watching, I was also going to be giving them another free gift. Then, at the end of the video, where I spun the wheel, I made an offer to get a free sales call debrief with me on a sales session. My free gift was a video training of my 5 keys report for more yeses in your sales conversations. So I offered to give them a phone call with me to go over their sales calls and really get some support on where they stopped and how they can tweak their approach to get more yeses. Huge value, right? But I also know that these folks are interested in improving their sales conversion. And that's something I love working with people around. So who knows who among those 10 people that might be interested in working more closely together, right? So it's a win-win. There are a ton of ways that you could use this wheel of names in addition to picking a raffle winner. Use it to choose who gets a hot seat on your group call, or to choose who gets to be the next member of the month, or even which product that you'll give away at the end of a webinar. Get creative with this tool, and it's free. Again, you can find it at wheelofnames.com. I'd love to hear how you use it in your business. That's it for this week's 2 on Tuesday. I'll see you next week.